3 apps to earn $19.72 over and over again and again. Download these 3 apps right now and follow my blueprint to start investing right now. It requires no skills and you can get started within the next 15 minutes if you follow this tutorial all the way to the end. Now I want to start by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, and at any time that you go and invest into anything, don't invest anything that you're not willing to lose. 2020 and COVID really started making me think about investing into other streams of income, and I procrastinated pretty much all year up until now. I decided that I'm going to invest $20 to $40 per week in anything that I think is a good fit for me to invest in, whether it's stocks, cryptocurrencies, other programs, other companies. So if you've been looking to actually invest, you've arrived on the right video. Inside of this video and many other videos on this YouTube channel, I share with people how to make money online, whether it's just a little bit of money or actually start building passive income. Right now, I've added the investment portfolio to this YouTube channel. So whenever you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll be getting updates on my investments, how they've grown, other opportunities to make money online so you can start investing right here online. So let's go ahead and hop into my computer where I'm going to share with you the tutorial on exactly how to set everything up with these 3 apps so you can start investing today. Before I go into the tutorial, I want to share with you the 2 reasons why I decided to go ahead and start investing here in 2020 and going into 2021. As you can tell, with COVID, we took quite a bit of a hit. Don't know if it's exactly intentional. I am a bit of a conspiracy theorist, but that's for a later video. So the US could be facing a dollar collapse by the end of 2021. Okay, and what that means is basically the money that you have right now in your bank account could be worth nothing at all by the end of 2021, or very little. Now the second reason is there is a 50% chance that we're going to double dip into a recession. With just these 2 things alone, and the things that I've actually went through with the last 12 years of actually being online, making money, and investing in other programs, I feel like it was necessary to start investing into digital currencies. Okay, so for these 2 reasons, and just these 2 reasons only, I just decided to invest into my first cryptocurrency. I've actually bought Bitcoin before, and I have some Bitcoin right now. However, I never really invested into any other cryptocurrencies, any ICOs or anything like that until today. So I'm going to go ahead and dive into the tutorial on the first cryptocurrency that I've actually started to invest in and how you can get started right now to invest. So the first app that you need is called the Cash App, and with the Cash App you can actually deposit money from your debit card or your bank account straight into the Cash App. So you're going to go ahead and deposit $20 into this account so that you can go ahead and buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to be one of the first cryptocurrencies that we're going to purchase right away because we want to actually use it to transfer it over into the second app, which we're going to explain here in a second. So once you go ahead and deposit $20 into your account, which is the minimum that I'm suggesting you go ahead and use to go ahead and invest, you're going to go over here and hit this squiggly line right here, and it's going to take you over to the investment tab of the Cash App. So at this point, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and buy $20 worth of Bitcoin. And once you do that, it's going to show up into your account, and you're going to, at this point, have Bitcoin. I've actually purchased this at $14 on September 23rd, and it's made $2.89 just by investing into Bitcoin at that point with $14. You can actually start earning money just by buying into Bitcoin by itself, but that we have a different process or better process of actually accruing more money with other cryptocurrencies, which we're going to go ahead and transfer this over into the next app. So the next app that you want to have is called Cleaver. Cleaver is a app that allows you to go ahead and invest in multiple different currencies. It's just like basically a wallet. So you can go from here and you can actually invest into other cryptocurrencies. You can transfer from Bitcoin to other currencies as well right here within this app or this wallet. So what you're going to do right here on this app is you're going to go ahead and go back to where it says, or if you go at the top here and you click on BTC. Once you click on BTC and you say main account, your wallet, basically you're going to have an address here. It says main account right here. So you go ahead and copy that address. Then you're going to go back to your Cash App here, and you want to go ahead and send this money into your Cleaver wallet. So that was step 3 of the process, transferring your BTC to your Cleaver wallet. And step number 4 is to go ahead and exchange your BTC inside your Cleaver wallet to Tron. Now, as I've hit refreshed on the BTC right here inside my wallet, you can see that the money has appeared right there, which is roughly $17.10 USD. Now we're going to go ahead and go over to this section right here. Now we're going to go ahead and hit this money symbol right here in the bottom. Once you hit that money symbol, now you can see that the BTC is there. and then you have the Tron right here. You would then go ahead and type in the amount that you want to add into your wallet, and as you can tell right here, there's a minimum amount that you need to go ahead and transfer over. Once you've done that and you transfer it over into your Tron wallet, now you can go over to this icon that looks like a world. Once you hit that, you're going to go ahead and take the link in the description of this YouTube video, and you're going to paste that link into this URL box right here. Once you do that, it's going to bring up a page that looks exactly like this. And then you're going to move on to the next step, which is to go ahead and install the next app. So go ahead and download this app called Tron Link. And once you download the Tron Link, you're going to be able to go back here, make sure that the ID is in here. It should say something like 21888. And then from there, you're going to go ahead and hit automatic registration. Now, I've already done this already, so it's not going to say automatic registration. It's going to say automatic login. Once you do that, you are then connected and registered with Forsage, which is the application connected to Tron and Cleaver all at the same time. And at this point, you're pretty much done, and all you have to do at this point is go ahead and just refer at least 3 people to do the same exact thing that you just did with this blockchain. It's just like going to the movies. Whenever you find something or a movie that you love, you're going to go ahead and invite other people into it. Now you can earn obviously by yourself as Tron goes up, your investment into the cryptocurrency, but you can earn faster if you invite other people into the platform. So with that being said, the next thing is, like, most people obviously ask, like, how can you go ahead and transfer this over into dollars? The only thing that you have to do is you can transfer the crypto Tron back into Bitcoin. Then from there, you can go ahead and transfer the Bitcoin into your Cash App, and then you can cash out the Bitcoin into dollars and then deposit it right into your bank account. Very, very simple stuff. So if I go back to the Cash App, if I had already gone ahead, put this information in here, I can go ahead and sell my Bitcoin. That's the cool part about it. It's very easy and very quick to go ahead and cash out as well. You're not waiting for weeks and weeks. It's not like earning commissions and you still have to wait like 2 weeks in order to receive the money. That's definitely not the case. You can go ahead and cash out, and then you can put the money back onto your debit card, or you can put it onto, send it straight into your bank account. So all of the steps inside this video, what I would do is I would make sure that I would send this information to anyone that you wanted to refer into this business. But I wanted to share something with you guys. I was on a call with the individual who has made over 6 figures in 30 days by utilizing this app and investing into this program, and also referring other people to do the same. And so here is the clip.
As you open up all these boxes, as you see, these boxes are all open right now. Majority people are coming in at the top levels because it's tough times for people right now. Right, so majority of the people are coming in, between 1 and 10, I would say. Right, 10 is 51,200 Tron. Now, everyone knows how much Tron is, right? Tron is what, 2 cents right now? So 0.02, that's $1,000 for number 10. Okay, so it takes money to make money. So the more spots that you open up, this is basically saying, hey, I got more real estate that people can come into and purchase. So the more real estate that you have, the more you can earn.
So hopefully you enjoyed that clip. If you're looking to actually invest into something, this is the reason why I decided to go ahead and invest into this program, because it was very lucrative with my style of investing. And obviously, if a friend of mine actually recommends something for me to invest in, I'm going to go with that as my first go-to while I was doing my research. With that being said, guys, look, you can either keep doing what you've been doing and getting the same types of results, or you can do something completely different and change the game. So in 2020 and 2021, I'm doing something different by investing into other income streams, other apps, stocks, pretty much anything. And so with that also being said, if that's your thing, if you want to start investing and you want to see how I'm going to grow my portfolio here, then definitely go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell so you get notified exactly when I come out with a new video or an update on any of my stocks that I'm going to invest in, which ones I invest in, which cryptocurrencies I'm investing in, how much money has been accumulating over time. So I'm going to continue to share this information with you guys. So stay tuned. I will go ahead and update you later on in another video. You guys take care, and I'll see you at the top.